here to give you a long glimpse at the Intimidator by Oxidean Marine. So sleek and smooth in styling and design. Very beautiful red finish. Dual water outlets on both sides, and on the port side, a side mount antenna. Let's get under the hood of this beauty. Oxidean by Castle XL2 ESCs, very strong, very robust. Mounted on these pedestals very neatly. They're actually bolted in. Full carbon fiber battery tray. This boat likes to run either 6 or 8S, but 6S in itself is a handful. The heart of the operation, these robust 53 by 100 millimeter, 8-pole, 1400 kV motors provide more than enough power to propel this thing out of this galaxy. Full carbon fiber Kevlar construction through and through, not just an inlay, not just partial, but through and through. That goes for the hatch as well. This boat comes with a Quasar Talking GPS radio, and it is in stock and ready to rock. The Intimidator, wow. We'll tell you guys about this thing all in one shot. This is how it comes. It comes in my lap and I program and calibrate the ESCs on my laptop. You get big, gigantic 3-blade props. There really isn't much to do. I run the cables for you. It comes with a Quasar radio. Fully adjustable trim tabs and out drives. I've decided I'm going to throw in a free set of turn fins with this boat because it definitely can use them. This thing in a straight line is amazing, and once it has some turn fins on it, the coring will be totally awesome. These hulls are really thick, like really super thick, like thick enough for gas. Full carbon Kevlar. No type of nonsense throughout. It's got this red gel coat, which is really cool. It's not the shiniest, but it totally works. And a person could easily sand this down and do their own painting if they would like. Okay, folks, what I have the pleasure of running with you today is the Intimidator. I'll put some turn fins on it. We're going to see how she handles. Can I show you what I like? I like just how close those two props are together. That's how you want it on a twin, ideally. This is a twin stepped model. Comes with these big, robust, beautiful 60 millimeter props. Very stout rudder. As you can see, the steps on the bottom. Okay, folks, what I have the pleasure of running with you today is the Intimidator. I'll put some turn fins on it. We're going to see how she handles.
It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon from the Kevlar. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the twin cat RTR. Fastest in the world, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, silicon. On the water, man, you know they will. Strongest power systems on the market. No question, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the sea? Who's got the fastest boats on the sea? Oxidean Marine.